Hey IRSD! In this screencast, we'll walk through some tips regarding how to organize your Google Drive. There's no one-click solution that will organize your Google Drive for you. That being said, there are some things you can do to make the organization process easier. If you aren't doing so already, create folders to organize your files. Some folders in your drive are generated by apps we use, like your Schoology Google Drive assignment folder. Don't delete or rename these folders, or it may cause problems with the app in question. If you want, you can color code your folders by right-clicking on the folder and selecting Change Color. You can also change your display based on what works best for you. Your options are List View or Grid View. You can toggle between the two by clicking the button beside the eye in the top right of your screen. If you have a lot of folders, you can add stars to your most important ones to help you find them more easily. To star a folder, right-click it and select Add to Starred. You can view your starred folders and files by clicking Starred in the left menu. From here, you'll need to go through your files to decide what you want to keep, what you want to move, and what you want to delete. If you're looking for a way to identify files you might not need, search your drive for the word Untitled to find blank documents. You can select to search for files owned by you if you want to avoid finding untitled documents others have shared with you. To do this, click the Search Options button beside the X. You can follow the same process with the phrase Copy of to see if you've made multiple copies of the same document. Another way to identify files to delete is to sort them based on when they were last modified. In List View, select Last Modified and click so the arrow points up. This will bring your oldest files to the top. To return your folder to alphabetical order, click the Name header. Finally, you can't organize the files in your Shared with Me list. If there are files or folders you return to regularly, you can add a shortcut to the file in your drive, or you can add the file or folder to your starred list. And that's it. From here, it's your job to sort your files based on what makes things easiest for you.